Guys, this one is a power station, portable one. We integrated the power station and our electric bicycle, electrical scooter together to enjoy a greener society kind of lifestyle with green technology. Freego is a leading manufacturer of the electric vehicles, but this year we started to develop the solar panel and the portable power station. We have 3 versions: 600 watts, 1000 watts, and 1500 watts. The power station has AC outputs to give the power to your home appliance, and also can charge your smartphones and iPad and a laptop. If we put the adapter, it can charge the electric bicycle. As you see, there are 4 inputs to get powered by solar panels. And here is a car port can be charged by your car on the go. The solar panel, we have 2 versions, 100 watts and 200 watts. So solar panel can charge this battery. If we use a 100 solar panel, one day it can be fully charged. Of course, we can put 4 solar panels together to charge this power station. If you want more information, please email us. Thank you.